Want to sound your emotions like a true Brit? In today's lesson, we're covering 5 slang words that'll help you talk about happiness, excitement, frustration, and disappointment like a native. This is part 5 of our British Slang speaking course. So if you've missed the previous parts, be sure to check out them after this lesson. Or follow the link above and it will take you directly to the playlist. Hi there and welcome back to your daily cup of English. I'm Jimmy and today we're learning 5 British slang words for emotions. So whether you're feeling happy, annoyed or excited, you'll know exactly what to say. I'll break down their meanings, show you how to pronounce them, and then you'll hear them in an action, in a real conversation in a coffee shop. And of course, you'll get to practice speaking along so you can start using them right away. And don't forget, part 6 is coming up next. So make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss the next part. Now, let's get started. Here are the British slang words for emotions with their meanings and pronunciation. Ready for our conversation. Your first slang word is chuffed. The meaning of the slang word is very pleased or happy. An example, I'm well chuffed with my exam results. Now the pronunciation of this, it rhymes with puffed, chuffed, puffed. So instead of the ch, you've got puff. So swap the P for the ch. So you've got chuffed. Your next slang word is buzzing, meaning excited or full of energy. Example sentence, I'm buzzing for the weekend. And the pronunciation is buzzing, buzzing. Yeah, so buzzing. Your third slang word is cheesed off. The meaning, annoyed or frustrated. Example sentence, I am so cheesed off with this traffic. And the pronunciation is cheesed off. So it's just cheesed off, okay? Now, number 4 is gutted. And the meaning of gutted is extremely disappointed. An example sentence, I was gutted when my team lost. Now, the pronunciation is gutted, gutted, okay? So gutted, okay? Now, number 5, our last slang is over the moon. And its meaning is extremely happy, okay? An example sentence is, she was over the moon when she got the job. And the pronunciation is over the moon. Over the moon. Okay? So over the moon. Now, speaking practice. Here's how the speaking practice part works. In part 1, you listen only. You listen to it carefully as you hear a full conversation using all 5 of the slang words. Now pay close attention to how they're used naturally in context. Then it's part 2 and it's your turn to speak. Now it's your turn. one side of the conversation will be muted and you will see the words on the screen. Read them out aloud, so as they come on the screen, you read them out aloud, as if we were having a real conversation. This will help you get comfortable using these slang words in a real conversation. And then in part 3, we swap roles. Yeah, I then read, or I then say what you just said, and you say what I just said. Yeah, in this way, this will give you a full interactive experience and make sure you really understand and remember these slang words. Now, for our conversation, using British slang. Now, imagine yourself in a coffee shop, yeah, and this conversation is happening in a coffee shop. Right, are you ready? Here we go. Hey, how's it going? You look well chuffed about something.
I am. Just got promoted at work. I'm over the moon.
That's amazing, mate. We need to celebrate. You must be buzzing.
Oh, 100%? I wasn't expecting that at all.
That's brilliant. Meanwhile, I'm absolutely cheesed off. My boss was late and I had to run here in the rain.
That's the worst. I'd be gutted if that happened to me.
Yeah, but your good news just made my day. Now, let's get some coffee and toast to your success.
Sounds like a plan, mate.
Hey, how's it going? You look well chuffed about something. That's amazing, mate. We need to celebrate. You must be buzzing. That's brilliant. Meanwhile, I'm absolutely cheesed off. My boss was late and I had to run here in the rain. Yeah, but your good news just made my day. Now, let's get some coffee and toast to your success. I am. I just got promoted at work. I'm over the moon. Ah, 100%. I wasn't expecting it at all. Ugh, that's the worst. I'd be gutted if that happened to me. Sounds like a plan, mate. And that's it. You have just learned 5 British slang words for emotions, and you've practiced them in a real conversation. Now it's your turn. Try using them in your daily English practice. And a bit of a challenge for you, drop a comment down below using one of the slang words in a sentence. I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss part 6 of our English slang speaking course. Next time, we'll cover even more slang words you need to sound more like a native Brit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.